cost-based gain today, reflecting renewed investor optimism across the major indices. The Dow Jones Industrial Average led the charge in the United States, climbing 284.97 points to close at 41,113, a rise of 0.70%, while the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq posted more modest gain of 0.43% and 0.27% respectively. This continued upward momentum in the S&P 500, now at 5,600.28, suggests growing confidence in the large cap equities. Also, the CBOE volatility index, that is the VIX, often referred to the fear gauge, dropped significantly by 4.89% to reach 23. Also signaling to the anxiety, the Russell 2000, which tracks the small cap stocks, also moved higher by 0.33%, indicating broader participation in the rally. In the Canada, the S&P TSX Composite surged 0.75% and TSX 60 updated to 0.81% gain, suggesting strength in the blue chip Canadian stock. Also, Latin America markets were mixed, with Mexico's IPC jumping 1.05% and Chile's IPSA outperforming the regional peers with a 1.29% gain. Also, Brazil's Bovespa was the lone major laggard, slipping 0.09%, likely on the localized economic or particular concern that the overall today's market performance has been reflecting resilient investors' sentiment amid a backdrop of the stabilizing volatility and ongoing macroeconomic developments taking place. Let's talk about the commodities market now. Commodities market posted the modest, broadly positive gains today, with the energy and the metal leading the way. Also, West Texas Intermediate, that is WTI crude oil, edged up 0.65% to reach $58.45, while the Brent crude oil followed closely, rising 0.52% to reach $61, both sitting near to the lower end of the 52-week ranges, indicating continued pressure from the overall supply concern or the weak demand signals. Natural gas remained largely flat, inching up just 0.08% to reach $3.95, despite trading with the higher band of its annual range. In precious metal, gold climbed 0.74% to reach $3,417, continuing its bullish trend and approaching its 52-week high, a likely reflection of ongoing demand for the safe haven assets amid the macroeconomic uncertainty. Silver has also gained 0.64% to reach $33, supported by similar investor and sentiment that the industrial demand is taking. Also, in the agricultural sector, soybean made a minor move higher, up 0.19% to reach $10.41, as market participants weigh crop yield expectation and export dynamics. Overall, today's commodity performance suggests a cautiously optimistic tone, with the metal signaling the inflation hedging and energy markets showing some stability despite